record. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay, so just to touch upon this before we start our second half of our lesson. So we have this room for improvement. So I will check on these 3 items against your homework. Okay, next time. All right. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Good. Okay, good. So let me open your work. Homework 90. The V2 one, right? You forward to me, right?
Yeah.
I think when you forward, you did not forward the attachment. Yes, you did not. You see?
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Can you forward the PDF as well?
Yeah, let me.
Okay, so yeah, once again, so next time when you forward anything or when you send any email, just a reminder, please check the attachment is there, the homework is there before you send out the email. Okay, if not, you send me empty email. Okay, so I don't want to receive empty emails from you. Okay. Can you, okay, I'm just wondering if you can send over Zoom. Let me see. Can what? Hello, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Next time you can send over Zoom. Can you see the file here? Can you see? Hello, are you looking at my screen?
Yeah.
Can you see the chat window here?
Yeah.
Can you see the file here? Can you hear? File?
Yeah.
Then you go to your computer. Then you just search for the file you want to send me. Okay. So I mean, this is another way you can send files to people while you're on Zoom. Okay.
Yes.
But anyway, you want to send me over email or file?
I think I'll.
You think what?
I send over email.
Okay. Done? Have you sent or
I'm sending.
sending? Okay.
I should have sent it to you.
Good. How about it? Okay. You never. I think you never send me the file. You send me the link. Can you download the file, the PDF to your your computer, then can you share over Zoom using the chat? Okay, because okay, right now, can you look at my screen now? So
Yeah.
you are actually sending me a link. Okay, you are not sending me the PDF file. So I need to access your link, which I don't want. So just send over Zoom using the file function here. But the first thing you need to do is you need to download the PDF to your computer first. Can you download the PDF file to your computer desktop, and then later you just send over Zoom? Mm. Nice. Okay, very good. Yeah, so you see, you learned something today. Okay, good. Okay, good. This is the one, right? Is this the one? Okay, good.
Yeah.
So it says the morning is $30, so it's 100%. 30% less than 30, so it's 70%. So 70% is 21. Okay, we should be looking at this. Okay, then afternoon. So afternoon is 21, which is 100%. So 20% more. So 20% more is 120%. So 120% is how much, right? So 120% is, yep, very good, 25.2. Then the question asked for, what is this? Spending in total? Or what? What's 76.2? Hello.
Let me check the one.
Yeah, check, please. What's this?
How much for A is how much did she spend?
So the answer is this one, right?
Yeah.
The answer is this. Then the next question is
B is what is the ratio of money spent in the afternoon to the total?
afternoon to total, A to total. So afternoon is 21, total is 76.2, right? So let me see how you do it. You times 100, very good. Then you divide by 10, very good. Then you divide by 2, very good. Can you divide by 3? Do you think you can divide by 3 here? Further? Actually, I also don't know. Huh? Can or cannot? I also don't know. I just ask.
Yeah, you can.
So what's the answer? Divide by 3.
35 to 127.
Can you divide by 3 again? I also don't know. Okay, cannot. Okay, so that's the answer. So once again, simplify. Next. Okay, so this one is, okay, I'm looking at this. This is good. Okay, you see, once again, this is not the way to write this answer. How do you write 100,000? How do you write this one? Do you write it this way? Do you write it this way?
No.
How should you write it then? You should write 100, give yourself a space, then 1,000. It's easy for people to read. It's also easy for you to read as right? So what you do next is you times, basically you just numerator times numerator, then of course denominator times denominator. Over here you write it correctly. You split them, okay? But over here, this is the wrong way to split, right? Can you see this is the wrong way to split or not?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, wrong way to split. Okay, can. So next time, please make it easier for you yourself. Okay, next question. 11, is it here, right?
Yeah.
This question, we should be looking at this question. Okay, good.
Yeah.
So now what it says is 1.55. So you times 100, very good. You see, once again, 10,000, very good. Very, very easy to read. Okay, then after that, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, then you divide by 20, very good. Cancel. Then you divide by 5, very good. Then divide by, okay, good. Actually, I cannot see this conversion because you did not. Okay, which one is correct? Let me write down first. So which one is correct for this conversion? For this, which one? This one is correct or this one is correct?
First one.
First one is correct. What? 为什么? Why?
Because the denominator.
Yes, the denominator is the divisor here. Right? Okay, so you should not make mistake anymore for this. Okay, good. This one, let me see. You times how come I only see you? I'm confused. How do you do this question?
You times both.
Then how come I only see one? Let's say you write like this, right?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to see 1,000 here and 1,000 here, right?
Yeah.
Then how come over here? Can you see over here? Can you see these two is not the same?
Yeah.
How come? So which one is correct?
The second.
Okay, so the second one is correct, right? Okay, good. Next. No more already.
Yeah, I did until 7 to.
Let me look at your. I asked you to redo the behind one, right? So you finished the behind one?
Yeah, but the behind one I check is like correct.
Oh, let me double check. Let me double check. Your last week work. Last week is I think this is the one. 是吗？是这个吗？ Last week. Let me double check. This is the one. Yes. You're here also correct or not? Oh yeah. Okay. 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 Okay, good. Okay, yep. So I'm sorry, let me clear my throat first. Okay, can I ask you a question? What have you learned in your school?
We are going to algebra.
You are going to algebra or you have learned algebra?
No, we are going to learn algebra.
So not yet.
Yeah.
So you have not started learning yet.
Yeah.
Do you have your school textbook with you?
Yeah.
Can you show me what kind of algebra question you have?
I go take my textbook and then I send to you.
Yeah, please do it right now. Actually, you bring your textbook over first and then bring your phone over. Let me teach you how you can share your textbook without taking picture in a very fast way. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you see? Okay, let me share my screen. Hold on. Can you see my screen? So
Yes.
what you do right now is you are going to go to the chat. You see the chat here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you're going to do this is this. Go to file. Okay, looks like then it looks like you have to share over WhatsApp. Yeah. So basically, take photo of the algebra topic, the chapter, then just send me 1 or 2 pages. Then I should
Okay.
be able. Then I should be able to start from there. Okay.
Okay.
How come you so tắt khỏi nó? That's funny. You send me already? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. Send me one more, then we should be able to start. Oh, they look so familiar to me. Do they look familiar to you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So um, let me download this. Okay, send me one more, then we can start already.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, let me see. Okay, let me download this. Download, open. Good. Let me just. Okay. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here first. Okay, over here. Question 1. Okay, over here, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so over here it says, okay, the first question it says add. Okay, let me see. Draw. Okay, good. It says add y and 4. So what's the meaning of add y and 4?
You have to add the.
Yeah. So basically you just add the two together. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very simple. And then the next one, 5 groups of A. So what's the meaning of 5 groups of A? So it means you have 5 times A. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So or if you say 5 sets of pencils. What's the meaning of 5 sets of pencil? So that means you have 5 times pencils, right? Okay. Am I right?
Yeah.
Or let me just make it even, let me use a diagram so that it makes life easier for you to see. Yeah. You see, this is the triangle. So let's say in each triangle, I have 1 line, 2 line, okay, good. So okay, let's assume that this is a box. Okay, let's assume that this is a box. Draw. Choose a color. This is a box. So let's say inside the box you have this crayons. Okay, right?
Yeah.
Good. So basically in each box you have 4 crayons, right? Does it make sense? Can you see my screen or not? Is it big enough?
Yeah.
So basically you see a box and you see 4 crayons inside a box. Can you see 4 crayons inside a box? Can you see 4 crayons inside a box? Okay.
Yes.
Good. So right now I say 4. Let me erase it first. So right now I say 4 boxes of crayons. Okay. So 4 boxes of crayons means, okay, let's not do the mathematics first. Let's do the diagram first. So how do you create 4 boxes of crayon? So what you are going to do is you are going to hold on, let me just text. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 4 boxes of crayon. So how do I do it? I'm going to, so this is, so how many boxes of crayons you see right now? Hello?
2 boxes.
Right now is 2 boxes. How many boxes of crayon you see now?
3.
3. How many boxes of crayons you see now?
4.
4. So what do you think? So have I met the requirement? 4 boxes of crayons?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if you are going to use a diagram, okay, if you are going to use a diagram to represent, so if you are going to use a diagram to represent 4 boxes of crayons here, so this is the diagram. Okay, so this is the diagram to represent. This is the diagram to represent 4 boxes of crayons. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so good. So right now, if we are going to use algebra, okay, if we are going to use algebra, so I'm going to erase this. So diagram, we have done it already. So now what if I'm going to use algebra to represent 4 boxes of crayon? So if I use B for 1 box, this is also B, right? Right?
Yeah.
So if I use B to represent 1 box, this is also B for another box. So this is also another B for another box, right?
Yeah.
So this is also another B for the last box, right?
Yeah.
Then can I ask you, if you are asked to find out this, so how many B you see in this diagram or on this slide? How many? So you see 1B,
4B.
2B, 3B, and 4Bs, right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means what? That means if you are going to use algebra to represent this diagram, you are going to have B plus B plus B plus B, and you end up with 4B, right?
Yeah.
So what's the meaning of 4B actually? 4 times B, 4 divided by B, 4 minus B, or 4 plus B. What's the meaning of this 4B?
4 plus B.
4B is 4 plus B. So you are saying 4B is
No,
4 plus
4 times B. 4 times B. 4 times
okay, good. So 4B is, so we have talked about this before. So 4B means 4 times B. The rest is wrong. Okay, so if the rest is wrong, I'm not going to let them stay around. I'm going to delete them. So 4B is 4 times B. Okay, so basically from a statement, so this is a statement, 4 boxes of crayons. Okay, you can use a diagram to represent it. This is the diagram to represent it, or you can use algebra to represent it. So far so good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let me give you a practice. Okay, let me give you a practice. So I'm going to share a whiteboard. Can you see a whiteboard now?
Yeah.
Good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to okay, what can I insert here? Let me see. Oh yeah, I can insert a lot of things. So let me start with this first. Okay, I have a box. Then let's assume this is the blue ball. Can you see a blue ball?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can. Oh, looks like I cannot copy and paste. Oh, never mind. Let me see if I can copy and paste. No, I cannot. So all I can do is keep adding. Okay, good. So okay, so right now I think you can see a box, and then inside the box you see 3 blue balls, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what if I ask you to do this? What if I ask you to do this? 3 boxes of balls. So
Yeah.
how are you going to represent 3 boxes of balls in a diagram? Can you use your mouse and do this? How should I let you do? Do I need to share? Let you? Can you draw on the screen now? Use your mouse.
No, I can't.
Can you remote control? Let me see. Give mouse keyboard. Give to you. Okay, good. Hold on. Open this. Let me give control to you first. Give control to you. Okay, good. Yeah, should be okay with you. Let me see if I can give control to you. Remote control. Yeah, I think you can control, right? Can you move your mouse? Can you move your mouse?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, let me see. One more time. Let me stop share first. Okay. Share again. And then give you control. Whiteboard. Can you see the whiteboard now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So can you give, okay. Can you move the mouse? Yes, you can. Yes. Good. So can you create 3 boxes of balls? You go to draw first. You go to draw. Can you move your mouse to draw? How come your mouse is so it's so out of control? Okay. Are you using the mouse on a flat surface?
Yeah.
Okay. So please, then how come I see you struggle to move the mouse to draw?
I try not find the.
Can you see draw? The draw is here, what? Here, ma? Can you pick the rectangle now? Hello, move the mouse.
It's like.
Do I need to give you control now? Let me see. Whiteboard, then control. Yeah, you have control already, what? Yeah, move. Can you move the mouse? Hello, you're not moving the mouse. Yeah, now you're moving. Go to draw. Can you start drawing? You need to left click and hold to draw. Try.
I.
Okay, never mind. You move your mouse to pick the draw. Okay, here. Let me. Okay. Leave it. Don't touch your mouse. Let me. Don't touch your mouse. Okay, it's here. Okay, then you pick this. That's how you draw, right? Okay, now go. Wait. Are you using a mouse or are you using your pad? I mean your mouse pad on your laptop.
I'm using a mouse.
Okay, good. Go ahead now. See if you can draw. Left click, hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Then how come I cannot see what you draw?
Yeah.
Can you see? Or can you see on your side?
No, it's not there.
Never mind. You share your screen. Then you give me control. Okay, I stop share. You share your screen. Share your screen. Oh no, don't share your screen. Yes, go. Yeah, draw 3 boxes of balls. Okay, how come your drawing, you know you can pick the rectangle, right? The rectangle is a perfect rectangle.
Oh.
Then you don't have to draw an ugly rectangle. Good. You know you can pick the balls, the round balls also, so you don't have to draw your own. Very good. So let's start with the diagram to represent 3 boxes of balls first. One more. You need 1 more boxes. Good. And then fill the box with blue balls. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2. Slowly. Just redo the ball. Just redo this one. Yes. Nice. Okay, good. Okay, so with this, can you give me control? Do you know how to give control? Remote control, then give me control. Nice. Click start the, let me see. Can I control now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can control already. So let me see. View option. Let me go to original size. Okay, good. Let me go 150. Okay, good. Okay, good. Wait, I want to insert text. Hold on. Annotate. Yes, good. So I am going to use, let me draw. Okay, good. I'm going to use, instead of B, I'm going to use R, okay, to represent 1 rectangle, right? So this will be rectangle as well. This will be rectangle as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
So this is the diagram to represent, the 3 boxes of balls, right? Am I right? So now R is to represent 1 box. R is to represent another box. R is to represent the last box. So if I'm going to use algebra, so what I have is R plus R plus R. Am I right?
Yeah.
So R plus R plus R is equal to, what's the answer? How many R you have?
4.
Huh? Can you not count?
3.
So how many R you have?
3 R's.
3R. So 3R is equal to? What is
3 times R.
Correct. So it's equal to 3 times R. So that's the answer. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So that means for a statement, so this is the statement. So this is the statement. Okay. So you can use a diagram to represent. Don't move your mouse first. And you can also use algebra to represent. So does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Good. So so can you stop sharing so that I can share? Okay, thank you. So let me go back to this. So we have done these 4 boxes of crayons. So now let's go to the next question, which is here. Let me minimize it. Okay, the next one is products of 5A and B. So what's the meaning of products? What's the meaning of products? What's the meaning of products?
Like the product of this item.
Yeah, but what's the meaning of product? What's another word for product? What's the another word for product?
Another word for product.
Another word. What's the meaning of product? Huh? You don't know what's the
product is can be a service or an item.
No lah, in mathematics I'm talking about.
Oh.
What's the meaning of product in mathematics?
Result.
No leh. Another word for product in mathematics is multiplication. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So that means what the question wants you to do is multiplication. No? Multiplication of what? 5A and B. So you write down 5A and B. So product of that means you need a multiplication. So you put a multiplication sign in between. So this is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Good. Next. Divide B by 3. Divide B by divide. Let me rewrite. Divide B by 3. Okay, divide B by 3. Which one come first? 3 come first or B come first?
B come first.
Divide B by 3. So B come first. So 3 gone. So not this one. So divide the B by 3. So divide B by 3. Divide the B by 3. Divide means divide, right? Can you see the divide?
Yeah.
Yeah. So divide B by 3. So this is also one answer. Okay. Maybe I should start from the next page. Okay, let's divide B. Okay, divide B by 5. Okay, let's divide B by 5. So divide B by 5 means B divided by 5, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is called division, right? Right? Am I right or not? Good. So did we talk about B divided by 5 is also equal to B over 5, right?
Yeah.
It's also equals to B to 5. Am I right?
Yeah.
So basically, this is in division format. This one is what format?
Fraction format.
Yes, fraction. And the last one is what format?
Ratio format.
Yes, very good. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this. all these here, they are equal. Okay, mathematically they are equal, but they can be expressed in different format. Okay.
Yeah.
So the value, they are the same. The formats are different. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So that means you are Shermaine, but you can wear a red clothes, you can wear a blue clothes, you can also wear a yellow clothes. So, but you are Shermaine, right? So,
Yeah.
but you are in different appearance. All right.
Yeah.
So that's the meaning of this. Okay. Last one, divide R by 5. Oh, I just did that. Divide R by 5. Okay. Divide B by 5. I just did that. Okay. So this is the very simple question of algebra. Okay. So of course,
Yeah.
you send me 2 pages. Okay. Over here, I have done the first page. Let me go to the second page. Okay. The second page looks more interesting. Let me download this and open. Let me close this first. Can you see here? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let me go to the clean page first, then I crop. Okay, I don't want to see your hand, right? I just crop this off. You see, I never see your hand already. Okay, so
Yeah.
let me go to this. So let me minimize it first. Okay, good. So over here, this is the another page you sent me just now. So what do you see here is this. The first question is y plus y plus y plus y plus y. How many y here?
5.
5. So basically your answer is 5y, right? So 5y is equal to
5 times y.
correct. Okay, 5 times y. Good. Next, 6 times k. So 6 times k is equal to, you just look at the screen now, or is it big enough, or is it too small?
Enough.
Big enough. Okay, good. So 6 times k. What's the answer? 6 times k.
6k.
Correct. Why? Because 6k is equal to, if they never write anything here, it means 6 times k. Okay, so basically, right, the question one here is 5y is equal to 5 times y. Then question B here is 6k is equal to 6 times k. Can you see that it's a reverse? So you can also write like this. Can you see? It's a reverse.
Yeah.
So basically, you know how to go from the left to right. So let's say this is called left to right. So this is called right to left. Okay. Okay. So that means you need to be very comfortable with left to right, right to left. Okay. Can? Can or not?
Yeah.
So the last question, 1 times p. 1 times p means, what's the answer? 1 times p.
1 p.
Again, I didn't catch. 1 times p equals to
P.
p or 1p?
P.
No, you don't have to look at this work. You just follow what we learned here. So just now, 6 times k is
6k.
yes. So now 1 times p is
1p.
correct. So it's 1p. Okay. So the answer here is, let me go to the next page. So just now what we say is 6 times k is 6k, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Then 1 times p is 1p, right? So
Yeah.
by the way, remember, if 1p, you can simply write down P. That means if the numerical value in front is a 1, you can ignore it. Okay, so that means if I give you one more example, 1 times A equals to
1A.
1A, but the numerical value is 1 here, right?
Yeah.
So can you write A?
You can also.
Yes. So basically, if your numerical value in front of the letter is 1, you can just remove the 1. So what this means is, if I have B, so B is equal to 1B, right?
Yeah.
1B is equal to 1 times B. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the meaning of this. It's okay. It only works for the numerical value 1. Okay.
Yeah.
And it only works for times. Okay. Let me differentiate this. So let me copy this over. Wait, no. Let me just crop this out. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, just now what we say is for times, if I get 1A, then the numerical value is 1, I can remove the 1, right? I can simply write A, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
So now, therefore, if I write B here, that means it's also equals to 1B. So 1B is equals to 1 times B, okay? So I want you to differentiate this with this. 1 plus B. Can you remove the 1 or not? Can you write down plus B? Can you remove the 1 in front? Can you remove this 1?
Plus B.
No.
No.
Can you or cannot?
Cannot.
Cannot. And what about this? 1 minus B is equal to minus B. Can you remove the 1?
No.
Okay. 1 divided by B. Can you remove the 1?
No.
No. Then 1 times B. Can you remove the 1? Can you remove the 1 here?
Yes.
Okay, so therefore, it's only for times, or it's only for multiplication. Okay? It's only for multiplication. You can remove the 1. Okay? For all these 3, can you? You cannot. Okay? You cannot. Okay? Can you remember this?
Yeah, let me just take a photo of it.
No need what? This is a video what? I will upload to YouTube what? You go back and watch this. Oh? So for multiplication, you can remove the 1. Can you see I remove the 1 for the final answer?
Yeah.
Then for the rest of here, so the addition, subtraction, and then the division, you cannot remove the 1. You need to see all the 1 here, then the 1 must be here also. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. So so we shall stop here. You have any other question for me?
No.
No. Okay, good. If not, then I will upload this video, 2 videos, first half, second half. Then you go back and watch this as a revision. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So no more question. Then we can end the lesson here. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.